Run between the raindrops and make new memories. The dark clouds must make some room for the light. None of us are bulletproof, that's clear with every day. Dodge the bullets, not the rain, always. The kindest words you'll ever hear are these: you've done well, pause, step back, you'll see. And the mirror tells no lies, the image ain't the same. It's wrong to think it's any other way. And the camera never lies, the image always changed. No one can have it any other way. The richest words you'll ever hear are these: you've done well, pause, step back, you'll see. So dust it off, don't be afraid to touch what you've left alone. There's plenty to be learned in that way. When there's someone there to care and say what we need to hear, it's always gonna be a good day. The kindest words you'll ever hear are these: you've done well, pause, step back, you'll see. So run through the raindrops, make new memories. The dark thoughts will make some room for the new. The dark thoughts must make some room for the new.